welcome to Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. More than 100 killed and dozens missing after flooding in eastern Congo. Heavy overnight floods have washed away several villages in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, killing more than 100 people according to the local officials in a nation suffering war and mass displacement. The floods were triggered by torrential rain and surged through the Kasaba village in South Kivu province during the night of Thursday into Friday, regional official told the news agency AFP on Saturday. Torrential rains caused the Kasaba River to burst its banks overnight, with the rushing waters carrying everything in their path, large stones, large trees and mud, before raising the houses on the edge of the lake. The victims who died were mainly children and elderly, he said, adding that 28 people were injured and some 150 homes were destroyed. The regional administrator said the torrent killed at least 104 people and caused enormous material damage. South Kivu's provincial health minister told the Associated Press news agency that rescue operations are hampered by a lack of service and a shutdown of telephone lines due to flooding. Sector chiefs, village chiefs and locality chiefs, who are also part of local government, are on site. The only humanitarian organization currently present is the Red Cross. A local resident told AFP that some 119 bodies had been found by Saturday. Such natural disasters are frequent in DR Congo, particularly on the shores of Great Lakes in the east of the country, as the surrounding hills are weakened by deforestation. In 2023, floods killed 400 people in several communities located on the shores of Lake Kivu in South Kivu province. While last month, 33 people were killed in flooding in the capital Kinshasa. DR Congo has been subject to decades of fighting between government troops and rebels in the eastern part of the country, which escalated in late January when the Rwandan-backed M23 rebel group captured Goma, the capital of North Kivu state, in a rapid and surprise offensive. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.